Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Do you have spiders around your house? You got webs all over the outside of the house or maybe inside the crawl space? Well, Crawl Space Ninja DIY store has this new product now called Web Out. Web Out is amazing. Not only does it assist you as the homeowner by getting rid of those webs, it also kills the spiders and other insects on contact as you are addressing the webs and keeps those spiders from attaching new webs to anywhere that Web Out is applied. So the good news about Web Out is it's made from essential oils and vinegar. You've got areas of the home where you want to prevent spiders from coming in contact with you and your family. As a matter of fact, I was doing an attic estimate in La Follette, Tennessee, and I come walking out the door and there's this huge spider right next to the doorbell of this home that I'd walked out of. So I know these spiders love to hang out in spots that we don't always like for them to be. So Web Out is a great product to make sure these spiders don't come back. It keeps their webs from reattaching to those areas. So if you yourself are dealing with a spider infestation, maybe you got a little bit of arachnophobia going on, I recommend you check out Web Out, now available on our DIY store, diy.crawlspaceninja.com, in the pest control section. And I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later. Hey, Michael Church here. Real quick, I want to share two things with you that we've got going on here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Number one, I encourage you to check out the Ninja Cabin. We are making this cabin available for people that are interested in staying in the Gatlinburg and Sevierville areas around Dollywood and things like that. It's a beautiful cabin in Wares Valley, Tennessee. I'm going to put a link to that down below. And also, we're going to start doing a live feed, so that way you can talk directly to me. At the end of every month, we're going to be featuring a live feed, so make sure you check out the link below for the live feed coming up at the end of every month.